Good afternoon kids, I am back here with your next lecture. In our last lecture we had completed numbers from 101 to 140. So today I am here with the numbers 141 to 160. So you have to write with me and you have to say the numbers with me. Write this heading first. You have to write CW properly in your notebook in the day when you are going to get this video. Okay, write this heading properly. Numbers, 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 FROM, from, numbers from 141 to 160. After writing this heading, you have to write 100, tens and ones. First you complete writing this, then I will write the numbers on the board and you have to write with me. Now you start writing the heading. Okay, now what we have to do? We have to write numbers from 141. So write here 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149 and 150. So now you have to complete this line and this line you have to write thrice in your notebook. आपकी नोटबुक में जगह है, आपको ये लाइन 3 बार लिखनी है, वन लाइन की गैप देके. जैसे HTO 1 लाइन कंप्लीट होगी, फिर यहाँ you have to give 1 लाइन गैप. 1 लाइन गैप देना है आपको. फिर से यहाँ पे लिखना है H2O. ओके, आपको आपकी नोटबुक में ये जो लाइन है आपको 3 बार लिखना है. कितनी बार लिखना है आपको? 3 बार. आपकी नोटबुक में स्पेस है, आपको इसको 3 टाइम्स सेम पेज पे रिपीट करना है आपको सेम लाइन. ओके, नाउ वंस अगेन हियर 141, 142, 143. You have to say and write the numbers. Don't only just copy down from the board. Okay, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149 and 150. Okay, so I have written twice here, but if you have space in your notebook, you can write 3 times repeating the same numbers. Okay, and you have to give 1 column gap. जब एक बार नंबर्स खत्म हो जाएंगे और आप एक और बार लिखेंगे तब आपको 1 कॉलम की गैप देना जरूरी है. ओके, सो यू हैव टू गिव 1 कॉलम गैप. अदरवाइज आपकी नोटबुक जो है वो बहुत गंदी दिखेगी, क्लमजी दिखेगी और बार बार आपको इरेजर भी यूज नहीं करना है. नाउ यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग नंबर्स एंड से एंड राइट. ओके, Okay, I hope so. You have written the numbers 3 times in your notebook from 141 to 150. Now on your next page, you will write the numbers from 151 to 160, 60. So I am going to erase these numbers from the board, and now I will write from 141 to 160. Okay. Okay, now I am going to write the new line here, new numbers here. That numbers also you have to write on your next page. Numbers from 151. 151. You have to say and write with me. 152. 153. 154. 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, and 160. Okay. Now once again in the same method you have to write. After writing this line, give one line gap and one column gap, and once again repeat the same numbers. 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, and at last 160. Okay, this you have to write in your notebook 3 times. Okay, now write these numbers and say and write. Don't only just copy from the board, otherwise you are not able to write numbers by yourself. Okay, say and write so that you can able to write numbers by yourself. Okay, then now start writing. So you had written the numbers from 141 to 160, 60. Okay. So one page you had utilized for that. For 141 to 150, one page. Write 3 times in your notebook. On your new page then from 151 to 160, you have to write 3 times in your notebook. Okay. Now after that we will again revise the numbers. Okay. The numbers what we had completed earlier, that numbers once again I am going to revise it. Okay, and you have to also write in your notebook, write revision and write the numbers. Okay. Okay, now heading numbers. You have written numbers. Numbers, I am going to write here once again the numbers from 1 to 50. थोड़ा थोड़ा हम रिवाइज करेंगे ताकि आप उसे प्रॉपरली बार बार लिखेंगे तो आपको याद रहेगा। अभी हमने न्यू नंबर्स लिखे हैं 141 टू 160। अब हम शुरू से एक बार रिवीजन करेंगे जिससे आपको नंबर्स लिखने में प्रॉब्लम ना हो और आप अपने मन से खुद से काउंटिंग लिख पाए अपने पेरेंट्स की मदद लिए बिना। Okay, so here I am going to write once again numbers. Okay, after that one column gap you have to give here and write heading numbers from F R O M, from numbers from 1 to 50. That means till 160 we had completed the numbers. Here we are going to revise the numbers from 1 to 50. If you want, you can write here at the top of the page revision. Okay, here you can write revision on the top of your page. Okay, revision. CW you have to write properly. Proper date also you have to mention. Then you start writing your work. Okay. ओके, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग दिस आपको 100 टेंस और वंस का मीनिंग पता है। वंस का मीनिंग होता है जब हम सिंगल नंबर लिखते हैं, जैसे 1 से लगा के हम लिखते हैं नंबर्स 9 तक के, वो वंस की लाइन में आते हैं क्योंकि वो सिंगल नंबर हो जाते हैं। ठीक है, और जैसे ही 10 आ जाता है वो बन जाता है टेंस। TO टेंस, वो टेंस में आ जाएगा। इसके बाद 11 से लगा के हम लिखेंगे 99 तक, मतलब 2 डिजिट नंबर होते हैं। 2 डिजिट नंबर में आता है टेंस एंड वंस। जैसे ही हम 3 डिजिट नंबर पर आ जाते हैं वो बन जाता है 100 टेंस एंड वंस। जैसे ही हम 3 डिजिट पर आ जाते हैं वो हो जाता है 100 टेंस एंड वंस। आया आपको समझ में? मैंने अभी आपको क्या समझाया है? जब हम सिंगल डिजिट नंबर लिखते हैं जैसे 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, उसमें हम सब में लिखते हैं वंस। 9 तक सिंगल डिजिट नंबर होता है, वो आता है वंस। ओके, जैसे ही 10 लिखते हैं वो बन जाता है टेंस एंड वंस। जब हम 2 डिजिट नंबर लिखते हैं जैसे 10 से लगा के 99, 10 से लगा के 99, वो 2 डिजिट नंबर होते हैं, उसमें हम लिखते हैं टेंस एंड वंस। और जैसे ही 100 आता है, 100 मतलब 3 डिजिट नंबर, उसमें हमको लिखना पड़ता है 100 टेंस एंड वंस। आप ये चीज़ हमेशा ध्यान रखिएगा जब आप डिजिट्स लिखते हैं। ओके, अभी हमको क्या लिखना है 1 से 50, लेकिन हम यहाँ पर टेंस और वंस दोनों लिखेंगे। क्यों लिखेंगे? क्योंकि लास्ट में 10 और 10 आएगा, तो आपको भी मेरे साथ में यहाँ से लिखना है टेंस एंड वंस। ओके, अब मैंने आपको बताया 1 से 9 तक सिंगल डिजिट नंबर है, इसलिए हम टेंस में नहीं लिखेंगे, हम लिखेंगे उसको वंस से। ओके, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9। अब देखो 10 मीन्स 2 डिजिट नंबर। अब ये टेंस की लाइन में आ जाएगा 1 और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा 0। नाउ कंप्लीट दिस। ओके, okay, after this give one line gap here. Now once again write tens and ones. Now look here, अब हमारे 2 डिजिट नंबर चालू हो जाएंगे 10 से, इसलिए अब हम टेंस एंड वंस दोनों में लिखेंगे। 1 9 19 and 2 0 20. Okay, so these are tens and ones numbers. Okay, after that again you have to give one line gap. So after that once again one line gap. अभी भी हमारे नंबर्स है वो 2 डिजिट नंबर्स ही आएंगे, इसलिए हम टेंस एंड वंस लिखेंगे. सो नाउ 21 22 23 okay 24 25 26 27 28 29 and after that 30 30 and always write 0 in which shape? You have to write 0 in oval shape. Don't write 0 in circle shape. Okay, so complete this till 30. Then after that I will write from 31 to 50 50. What you have to do? You have to say the numbers, then you have to write the numbers in your notebook. Don't only just copy. Okay, now look here. You had completed till 30. Now I am going to write numbers from 31 to 40. Okay. After that, once again give one column gap here and write here TO. Okay, now write your numbers from 31, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and here 40, 40. Don't say 40. It is not 40. It is 40. Okay. Now complete these numbers. See, I have no space on my board. If I will write there, you are not able to see. So I am going to erase the first line. And after 40, 40, I am writing here from 41. Okay. After 40, 40, see, I am not able to write there because then you are not able to see from the board. That's why I had completed the first line. And after 40, I am going to write here. Okay. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49 and here 50, 50. So till 50 you have to write in your notebook properly. Okay, first you complete from 141 to 160. Okay, full page, that means 3 times you have to write 141 to 150 and 151 to 160. After completing these 2 pages, on your new page write it properly, revision. CW, date and this heading, and then we start writing from 1 to 50. First you do this. Okay, I hope so you had written the numbers. Okay, now I am going to teach you table of 2 orally. No need to write in your notebook. Just repeat after me the table of 2. So I am going to raise the board and I am going to write the table of 2. But no need to write in your notebook. You had already written in your notebook. Just you repeat after me. Okay. Okay, now you say numbers with me. 2 ones are 2. Repeat after me. 2 ones are 2. Repeat after me. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14. See the pronunciation. बेटा आपको 12 नहीं बोलना है, 12 होता है. क्या होता है वो? 12. आप कभी भी 12, कई बार तो कोई बच्चे बोलते हैं 12, वो 12 नहीं होता है, 12. You have to say 12. और जब हम यहाँ पे 14 होता है, आप लोग कई बार बोलते हैं 40, जबकि वो 40 नहीं है, 14. ओके, आपको थोड़ा लंबा बोलना है. ओके, 2 8s are 16. बोलो मेरे साथ में 16. 60 नहीं है वो, 16. ओके, 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18 and 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. Now repeat after me once again the table of 2. Now say with me. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. So this you have to do orally. Repeat it again and again at your home so that you are able to write the table by yourself. Okay, now today what we had completed? We had completed the numbers from 141 to 160. After that we had completed the revision from numbers 1 to 50 and we had done the oral table of 2. So this is your today's work. Okay, bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day and keep safe yourself. Bye once again.